Hello friends, today we are presenting work from home related common health issues and how to deal with them doing simple physical exercise. Working from home may lead to awkward work posture which will cause a muscle strain in your neck and shoulder. Working from home behind a computer for the entire day can lead to wrist and hand strain. In the work from home online jobs, the main job is to sit in chair in front of PC for long hours. Sitting in same posture for long hours can cause back pain and leg cramps. Again, working for long hours puts strain on our eyes. Continuously staring at mobile or computer screen can cause a strain in the eyes. Load of work, tight deadlines, demanding clients, and late night work may lead to stress. Due to stress, you can face health problems like fatigue, headache, health problems, and insomnia. While working from home, many of us don't meet outside world for days, no one to chat or no one to discuss the problems or to share anything. This also poses some mental stress and loneliness, which ultimately lead to inattentiveness. While working from home, there is no commute or exercise at all. Many bloggers and work from home employees have sedentary lifestyle as they work for 12 to 14 hours. A sedentary lifestyle causes to obesity, high blood pressure, weight gain, heart problems, and many other problems. If that's one thing that keeps doctor away, besides Apple, of course, it's exercise. In addition to improve one's mood and shedding those extra pounds, being physically active on a regular basis helps prevent and manage a wide range of health problems, including stroke, diabetes, depression, the list goes and on. But I know what you are going to say. You are spending long hours at work, so there's no time to exercise. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, several 10-minute workouts are just as effective as long duration workouts, as long as they add up to 150 minutes of physical activity a week. So starting with exercise or stretches for neck pain. Forward and backward tilt. Start with your head squarely over your shoulders, lower your chin toward your chest and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Relax and slowly lift your head back up. Tilt your chin up toward the ceiling, hold for 10 seconds and then return to the start position. Side rotation. Slowly turn your head to the right until you feel a stretch in the side of your neck and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and then slowly turn your head forward again. Repeat on your left side. Side tilt. Gently tilt your head toward your right shoulder and try to touch it with your ear. Stop when you feel the stretch. Don't raise your shoulder. Hold the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds, then return to the start position. Repeat on your left side. Now, bend your neck with the same side of your hand until you feel the stretch in your neck. Cross arm stretch. Cross your straight right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently pull the right upper arm closer to your body. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat on the other side. Shoulder shrug. Pull your shoulders towards your ear. Shoulder rolls. Starting in position of proper alignment, roll your shoulder up, then back, then down in fluid motion. Repeat this movement about 10 times. Upper trapezius stretch. Forward hand stretch. To stretch your wrist flexors, with your palm facing outside, bend your wrist. For wrist extensors, palm facing inside, bend your wrist. For forearm, supination and pronation. Thumb flexors and extensors. Finger extensors and for finger flexors. Full body stretch. Knee to chest stretch. For crunches, don't arch your back. Supine twist stretch. Leg raise. Seated side stretch. The seated calf stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Lean forward and grab the arches of your feet. Pull your toes towards your body. Hold for 30 seconds. Now fold the one leg in and the other leg out in front. Pull your foot towards you. Now repeat it with the other leg. The towel calf stretch. Obtain a towel or a strap. Sit on the floor with your legs out in front of you. Wrap the towel around the ball of the foot. Gently pull the towel so your toes and ankle flex up towards your face. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds.
This is the ergonomic workstation checklist designed to assist you to be more comfortable at your workstation. Most people think an ergonomic chair will solve their back problems. That's not always the case. Even the best chair may do little good if the desk is the wrong height, angle, or shape. Your work surface should be large enough to accommodate all your tools, equipment, and paper. They should be spacious for you to move them around if required. Now, you don't have to go and buy an ergonomic chair. Sit all the way into the chair. There should be space between the back of your knee, not causing you to subconsciously shift forward. Relax your arms and elbows by the side of your body and then position the keyboard across approximately 8 to 10 cm from the desk edge so you don't need to overreach. Ensure that the mouse is just beside the keyboard. It is a good habit to alternate the mouse between right and left hand from time to time. Learn keyboard shortcuts to reduce use of the mouse. Your computer screen should be at least an arm length. Try to get a bigger screen or increase the default size of fonts. Position source document in a line between the keyboard and screen on a bookleaf style copy holder. Before you simply reach for any desk lamp, consider ambient and natural light. If working in evening, consider having a softer kind of line, but sufficient instead of one brightly lit lamp. Ensure there is adequate space for your legs under the desk.
Practice of Anulom Vilom has relieving and calming effect on brain. Kapalbhati helps in stress alleviation by enabling mind to be in the moment of present. Brastika Pranayam helps to boost the immune system.